Hey, good people. So who can tell that these veggies have been here, as in they are one day old here. Just imagine, and they still look fresh. What is the secret? Do you want to know? Let's get direct to the video. So guys, this is the secret. As you can see, inside this there is water. So let me show you how I store them. So for me, I have no fridge, so this basin saves me a lot. So I change water every day if I have these veggies. So I add some water in my basin. Remember, you can use my method if you have no fridge. And then I make sure the stems of the veggies are in the water, as you can see. Remember to change water every day. Just pour the yesterday's water and add fresh water. They will remain fresh as long as you want them to be. You see? So this is what I do. If the water is little, you can add more and more water, and they will remain fresh and fresh every day. You see that? For the dania, for the coriander, I'll wash them. Let's do it together. Let's wash them, then store them. Let me add more water. Yeah, that's enough. Just make sure the stems are in the water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some water in a small bowl. Then take my dania and then wash them. Wash them so well. And make sure the stems also are well washed. So make sure you wash them well, and then I'm going to use my tin. So using this tin, I'm going to put some water. That's enough. And then put my dania. You see, the stems are the ones that are in the water. That will make them be fresh for the longest time. Yeah, so that's how I store my carrots and my coriander and my veggies. That's spinach and some carrots. Mom. Let's head to how I store my tomatoes. So I put water. I first wash them. Yeah, you can if you have running water in the house, you can use running water. But for now, sisi hatuna maji. So bear with me, and then let's wash our tomatoes, then store them. So let's wash them. I have some extra here, so this is round one. You just make sure that you wash them, because in the market, remember, was nashikwa na you don't know the germs on them. You can also add vinegar in your water. just to remove the germs. Yeah, so after washing them, I'm going to place them in these. Yeah, I have some kitchen towels on them, so I'm going to place them. You see how I'm placing them with the head, these, what are they called? These two heads. Yeah, on top. This is how I place them. See that? So let me finish, then I'll show you the final results. So guys, this is how they look after I have washed them. As you can see, they are clean, they are shining. Yeah, so try and use my method and hope it will help you. Yeah, so let's get to our carrots, our capsicums, and then fruits. Fruits are it's fruits time. Now we are cleaning and storing them. So I wash them. These are passion, and then these are mangoes. Yeah, so I wash my passion so well, then I store them. Wash. Then store. Wash. Yes, baby. Then store. Let's follow the same procedure to our mangoes. We're going to wash them so hard. When you get these things from the market, you don't know who touched them. Obvious, kuna watu wameshika wakinunua, so haujui ni germs gani walikuwa wameshika, so at least wash them, then place them. You see that? I love putting the heads on top. Okay, I love that. At least I don't know why, but at least when they are placed that way, they are more safe. They won't get bad easily. So let's store them. So here they are. As you can see, they are clean and shining and well stored. Try this also. So guys, onto our carrots. These are the carrots that I was using last week. I bought these yesterday actually. Oh no, these are the remaining zenye zimebaki za last week. So I bought these yesterday. Yeah, these are the fresh ones. Hizi ni zenye zimebaki sasa, yani that's what I mean. So I've been using these. If you have these bread wraps, you can use them. Kama wewe unakulaga mkate daily, kindly make use of this. Make use of this if you have you don't have a fridge. So I usually store them in these papers. So I used this. Nimefanya kuyosha cause sina ingine actually zimeisha. Yeah, so zilikuwa hapa. So let me show you how I store them, cause sunona they're still fresh. They are very fresh. Even the whole near last week actually. Yeah, so let me show you how I store my fresh ones. So guys, this is what I do. I wash them. I wash them so well. You see that? wash. Yeah, hii nika nilibaikiwa mbaya, but no problem. Hope it won't spoil. Yeah, so I wash well. Then using my knife, I cut the heads. Don't mind, I'm the cameraman and I'm the the one doing everything. So I cut the top and the back. You see that? So I'll repeat the process. Yeah, so allow me cut them, then I'll be back. So I know many of you will ask why I cut the heads. Yeah, so I got the answer for you before you even ask. So I used to store them with the heads, but I noticed they see, you understand, carrots do have roots when you keep them for long. So I noticed that they grow roots when I store them for maybe for long, for a week. Yeah, and when I tried cutting them, baby, so when I tried cutting them, just imagine there were no more roots on them. So I had to show you this so that you can try, yeah, and see whether you will get the same results as mine. So let's store them in our paper. I'm going to wipe them so well with a clean cloth and then put them in the paper. So I'll be back. Clean. So guys, here are they. Nimezipanguza. They are dry. Yes, these are the fresh ones and these are the old ones. Yeah. So let me store them in this. But I start with this, the fresh ones. Then kama itajaa hii, I'll put some of the old one on top. Yeah, so let me store them. So guys, these are the fresh ones. You can see there's still space, so let me fill with the old ones. So guys, here they are, you can see. So I made a knot on top just to keep them safe. Yeah, and this is how I do it. You can see the fruits are safe, the carrots and the capsicum are safe, the tomatoes are very fresh, and then the veggies. Yeah, so guys, hope you've subscribed, hope you have learned something. Yeah, and hope you've enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe, kindly put the notification bell on so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Yeah, and try this and then keep your veggies and fruit clean and well organized. Hope you have enjoyed this. Hope you have learned. Hashtag watch and learn. Let's keep safe and then keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye. 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 Good.